Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Hope you're all keeping well. Today we are going to make mulor. Mulor, English white radish, or also known as mooli in Hindi. It's very popular as a winter vegetable in Bengal and it's called Mulor Ghonto.
We're not, you know how we were like, oh, we can do some family friend things. No, you don't have that happen anymore either.
That's why grab the opportunities when you can is what I say. So when they release it, immediately. So that's the radish all grated and we're going to start cooking it now. Drop in the Nigella seeds. After a couple of minutes, you're going to drop in the mooli. So that's going in now. So simple and yet so tasty, this dish. Remember to put your salt and turmeric and then that's done. So about 1 spoon of turmeric, salt to taste, reduce the heat, we'll give it a quick stir. This has a lot of moisture, so it will take a little while to cook through. We're just going to cover it now with a lid and let it cook in its own juices. It's going to be yum. We're going to put the grated ginger in just before we pull it out, before it finishes. So let it cook. I'm going to put a lid. Actually, that's too small. I need another lid. Let it cook. Put the timer on for a good 10 minutes on a medium heat. Come back and check on it. Right, it's been 10 minutes. Let's have a look. Still got some moisture, so I'm going to give it another 10 minutes and then it should be done. So it's a medium heat. Cooked it for 10, another 10. Now if you have a gas cooker, you might find it cooks quicker, so keep an eye on it. Right, at this point, put in the grated ginger. Give it a stir and cook for another 7 minutes. And if you have fresh coriander leaves, you can put in a tablespoon of that now, but I don't have it, so I'm going to do without. And there it is, all ready. We're going to taste it now. Mulor Ghonto. Yum, yum, yum. Let us taste it. Taste my Mulor Ghonto. Look how good it looks. Mmm. It's yummy. If you like my recipes, do click on the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and you'll get to, I will be sharing more of my lovely, yummy recipes inherited from my own mother and grandmother and down the generations, my mother mainly. So, like, share, subscribe, share ahead. You never know, someone might find it useful.